Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about iOS 27 update stuck on estimated time remaining. For example, as you all know that Apple has introduced their latest iOS 27. Now if you want to download and install the iOS 27 on your iPhone, and as you click on the update and it stuck on estimated time remaining. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on the settings, and in settings, you have to click on general, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and after you have to turn off the airplane mode. Now you have to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet connection, because if you are starting to download and install the iOS 27 beta, then it will take a lot of time. So you have to have a strong internet connection. And after checking for this internet connection, you can simply restart your iPhone. And after restarting, you can check again whether your download has been started or not. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and you have to click on general. And after that, you have to click on software update, and you have to simply check whether how much time is remaining. So if time is improving, then you have to wait for that time, because it will take that time. So you have to wait for some time. So hope you have liked this video. And get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.